What is up, everyone? My name is Mike Wada, and I'm the founder of Radical Academy. In this video, I just want to share with you some few things about learning with us. Okay, so there are so many people that have been actually, rewriting, grade 12 subject. Okay, so mostly it's because not because they are failing to pass an exam or what, but it's because how they apply these subject when it comes to providing answers. Okay. Now, most of us who knows as a Radical Academy, I've been teaching, like I started teaching a long time ago, okay, and that was probably in 2012 that I completed my grade 12. I started thinking about ways in which I can simplify subjects, okay, such as chemistry, biology, physics, and mathematics, and some also optional subject. Okay, but my main focus is to simplify scientific content. Okay, now what people have not understood is that these are very different subjects. Okay, in their special ways. Okay, it's different from English. Okay, it's different from subjects like RE. It's different from subjects such as geography, or maybe should I say subject like home management or food and nutrition, ABCD. So um, what people have failed to understand is what is the preliminary requirement that should help someone to pass a scientific subject, okay, like the one I've mentioned. It's because science is a process, okay, even to just arrive at the answer, okay. You've got to provide, okay, reasons that are worthy of uh, reasons that are able to correlate with the questions, okay, and provide some basic scientific evidence, okay. It's not just that when you're answering, questions in science, just you just kind of guess and then you get the correct answer. No, science is about processes, steps, okay? And obviously, theories, in order for you to just come at the within the boundaries of the answers being required, okay? So for me, the teachings at Radical Academy has been like, first of all, to confuse you, okay? To make you understand that science is not a one-way answer, okay? When you look at physics, when you look at learning about gravity, when you look at biology, trying to understand the DNA, it's not just the uh, it's not just the three-letter word. It's something beyond. Okay, it's something beyond the three-letter word. Okay, a DNA. Okay, so what does it mean? What does it do? The basic unit that is inherited from our parents. Okay, and as time goes by, that's the one we are going to pass on to our children. Okay, it's more like replicating ourselves in the science of reproduction. Okay, look at chemistry. Okay, I'm sitting down here and light is striking. There's energy conversion. Okay, there are chemicals in the bulb. You know, those substances, the argon, the neon that are put in the bulb, they're not reactive, and that's the reason why we get to see the light being lighted like the whole day. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Like the whole day, and we have no problem with that. Okay, but the scientific mindset behind that is when you try to do an experiment as to why other elements, okay, like for instance, if you are to put sodium, maybe if you are to put chlorine as a gas, and or even hydrogen, okay, we are gonna kill ourselves, okay, because the idea that these substances that are there, they are not reactive, okay, they are reactive. So no matter what other substances that may try to penetrate inside the bulb, no reaction is gonna occur, okay. But there is more than that. That's the way science is all about, okay. So when you think about understanding subject such as physics, chemistry, biology, uh, there's just a way in which, first of all, you've got to establish the principles, the fundamentals, okay, like your reference system, okay. I remember when I'm teaching people about science, more especially when it comes to motion, my observation is that people don't even understand what motion is all about, okay. All they know is that there is acceleration, there is a velocity, there is a speed, there is a displacement, there is this guy called gravity, and it's a G, and there is just beyond something that people should understand, that the moment you understand what I'm talking about, science becomes something that's gonna stick within your blood, okay. And I'm telling you, man, it's gonna blow your mind. I do every day. I do try to understand what is the DNA like. Uh, when we talk about the number of chromosomes that are 46, and when someone is born more than those number of chromosomes, or even below the number, what's gonna happen? Okay, so in science we have this suspicion of to say, what if this is not the case? Okay, so there's just that allowance, okay. So before we get to conclude the allowance in science, is that we have to understand, first of all, what is the fundamental basics of the fundamental principle that is guiding us, before we can even propose the other question of the same, okay. So what we do normally at Radical Academy is we put this kind of notion in our students that no matter how hard the question in the final exam, okay, with the basic principles and fundamentals of science that we have actually provided them with, okay. For me, my belief is that even if in religious education, home management, and other subjects, they are going to do extremely very well, okay, and nothing is gonna actually stop them from unlocking what is hidden in that, permanent storage, okay. So that's how I wanted to tell you that you've got to learn the fundamentals of science, okay. So this is my whole thing about why people, maybe I'm a science guy, and I give rooms of doubts, okay, because at some point your theory is not gonna work, your assumption is not gonna work, but there must be uh, obviously an answer to why that is not occurring, okay.